Our question is, discuss the salient features of the Harappan architecture. Very easy question, right? The question on Harappan civilization, IVC. But the mistake what the most of the students will do, they will write the question on the Harappan civilization. So they will read the question, discuss the salient features of Harappan civilization, and they will keep on writing various features of civilization. But the question is asking only about Harappan architecture and not the other features. So what the students must write, they must write only about the architecture. What they should not write, they should not write about the Harappan economy. They should not write about the art. They should not write about the pottery or about the seals. They should not write about the trade. They should not write about the religion or the society. These all things you don't have to write. You have to write just about the architecture, and architecture is one of the features of Harappan civilization. Okay, so this is the second thing what the students must not write. Now, third thing, to write about the architecture, you must know that what all things come under the architecture, right? Then only you can easily segregate the points which you already read about the Harappan civilization. That okay, these 3 points were of the art, these 3 points I can include in architecture, these 3 points I can include in economy or society. So first of all, you must know, right, that what all things must come under the architecture. So for example, what you can include, that no type of material or type of bricks used, right? What can come in the architecture? The town planning. What can come under the architecture? The drainage system or the industrial infrastructure, okay, or the type of residential buildings there. Okay, so these all things will come under the architecture. Now, please go on remembering that to fill these all headings, what all things you can write as you have already read in Harappan architecture, and provide the examples also. Okay, because here the directive is to discuss. So it's not right you will just write 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the features of Harappan architecture. You have to explain those features in 1 or 2 lines. Then you have to provide the examples also. Okay, so this will be the part of your body. So overall, these things we have discussed about the body.